In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to line draw in Miro. This is a simple skill, but it is very useful when you want to connect ideas, build quick diagrams, or create a clean flow between objects on your board. I will walk you through exactly where to find the line tool and how to start drawing right away. First, open Miro and go to your board. You can use any board you have access to, including a brand new blank board or an existing workspace board where you are already placing notes, shapes, and content. Once the board loads, take a moment to look at the main canvas in the center and the toolbar, which is typically positioned along the left side of the screen. The toolbar is where you will find drawing and diagram tools, including the one we need. Next, find and click on the option labeled Shapes and Lines. This is the area in Miro that groups common visual tools together, so it is the best place to start when you want to add structure to your board. After you click it, a small menu will open with different shape and connector options. If your screen is smaller or the toolbar is condensed, you may need to pause briefly to make sure the menu is fully visible before you choose your tool. Now in that menu, click on Line. As soon as you select it, your cursor will switch into drawing mode, which means Miro is ready for you to place a line on the canvas. Move your cursor to the spot where you want your line to begin, then click to set the starting point. Drag your cursor toward where you want the line to end, and click again to place the end point. If you want the line to look neat and intentional, move slowly as you place it, and give yourself a bit of space so it does not overlap other objects. If you make a mistake, do not worry. You can simply undo and try again, or click to select the line and adjust its position after it is placed. Taking a second to zoom in can also help you place your endpoints more accurately, especially on busy boards. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.